question 10. Question 10 reads, how many mils of peroxygard will you need to make an 800 ml volume of a 40% solution? Okay, so what you're going to need to do is change 40% into what we know, and then we're going to solve for x. Okay, this is going to be similar to the question we had earlier where we knew that grams here is representing a liquid. Peroxygard is a liquid. We had talked about it earlier when regards to bleach. We knew that that's in a liquid form. So I'm going to be using the G, but I'm going to change it out to mils because I know that the end answer has to be in a mil. Okay, so I'm going to have 100 mil xg equals to 32,000 g mil x I could even leave the mil on this side if I wanna, and then I'm going to say 32,000 because I know I need mils at the end. 32,000 g mil by 100 g. Take those out, right? 100. My unknown ml will be 320 ml of peroxygard.